Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones on the table for comparison. In one corner, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and in the other corner, we have the CuteAnt drones. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top in different categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, having a high-quality camera is essential. The DEERC D20 mini drone boasts a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take better aerial shots and videos. It even offers FPV transmission, meaning you can see the sky in real time through your smartphone app. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with a 1080p HD camera. You can manually adjust the lens up and down to capture amazing views. It also offers smooth transmission via Wi-Fi for FPV mode on the app. Plus, you can easily share your fun moments with friends and family. Let's talk about the flight features of these mini drones. The DEERC D20 mini drone is designed to be user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for kids. With the one-key start landing button, all it takes is a simple tap to get it up in the air. The altitude hold feature ensures a stable flight, making it easy to control and capture high-quality footage. It also supports 3D flips and waypoints fly, adding more fun to your flight experience. Meanwhile, the CuteAnt drones are perfect for beginners and kids aged 8 to 13. It features a one-touch takeoff landing button and altitude hold mode for ease of use. Additionally, it offers headless mode, gesture control, and other functions to cater to the various needs of beginners. It even has exciting features like 360-degree flips, circle flight, and trajectory flight. Battery life and safety are crucial factors to consider when purchasing a mini drone. The DEERC D20 mini drone comes with two rechargeable and powerful batteries, providing a total flying time of up to 20 minutes. It also features low-power alarm and emergency stop functions for added safety. Additionally, it includes 4 propeller guards to protect the drone during flights. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with 2 rechargeable batteries that offer a total flying time of 30 minutes. It also includes 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades, ensuring safe flights. Moreover, it comes with a convenient carrying case, allowing you to enjoy flying anytime, anywhere. Based on online reviews, the DEERC D20 mini drone is praised as a budget-friendly and durable option for beginners to learn how to control a drone. It has many features of a full-size drone, including a camera that can be adjusted and synced with a smartphone for live feed. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones are described as easy to use, enjoyable for beginners, and suitable for outdoor use. The camera quality is good, and the controls are responsive and easy to use. Both drones have received positive reviews overall. And there you have it, folks. In the camera category, the CuteAnt drones take the lead with its 1080p HD camera. However, both drones offer unique flight features suitable for different users, making it a tie in that category. Lastly, the CuteAnt drones win the battery life and safety category with its longer flying time and additional propeller guards. Remember, it's essential to prioritize your preferences and needs when choosing a mini drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned to Buy Smart.